Hello guys, in this video let's check out the invisible sheet UV sanitizer. So this says that it kills 99.99% of the most common surface bacteria, and this is how it looks like. So you can put your phones inside, you can put your keys or anything that small objects, and the bacteria will get killed. So this uses UV rays for it. So here are some key information given: destroy bacteria lurking on your phone, and uses UVC light bulbs, fits most phone sizes, 5-minute sanitation cycle, and sanitizes other objects with a non-phosphorus smooth surface, like you can put up your watch, etc. So let's just open this and see what's inside. So opening this, we get the UV box and the charging cable or the power cable. So these are things that we get inside the box. Here's the user manual, the USB Type-C cable, and the box itself. So here's the quick start guide that says attach power cable and plug into power source. Place the UV sanitizer and press button, and then this will show some percentage and it's done. So it's pretty quick. This is a USB Type-C cable. Basically you plug this inside the UV sanitizer cable and this will go to your USB end at your socket, or you can, if you have a spare adapter, you can use that. So this is the invisible shield. You can see here it's written 25, 50, 75, 100%. So when you click start, it goes into 4 phases and then shows that it's completed. To the rear side, it's written the disinfect time is 5 minutes, power output, ultraviolet length, etc. And it gives a warning that ultraviolet light may cause eye damage. Do not look directly at the light. If you experience any discomfort or pain, stop using the UV sanitizer and contact your physician. So make sure of that you don't look directly into the UV rays. Testing it out, I have the USB Type-C cable. Let me connect this. So the USB Type-C cable gets connected here. So this is how it works. So for example, I'm just keeping the phone here. Let me just close this and I'll press the start button. You can see it's blinking on 25%, which means that 25% is done. And here is the blue light, if you can see. And if you want to stop it, you can press stop. You can press start, it gets start. Or else you can just keep on pressing it. Just keep pressing it once, and when it gets completed, it'll show 100%, and then that's it. You can take out your phone or any of the things that are kept inside for UV sanitation. So guys, that was a quick video on the invisible sheet UV sanitizer. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same in the description from where you can go and buy it. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. That's a Trendy blog. Check out our website, which is www.trendyblog.net. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you guys on my next video.